10 health benefits of apple. Number 1. Improved digestion. The fiber in apple helps to improve digestion and prevent constipation. Number 2. Weight loss. Apples are a great snack for weight loss because they are high in fiber and low in calories. Number 3. Lower blood sugar. The fiber in apples can help lower your blood sugar levels, making them a great snack for diabetics. Number 4. Prevent heart disease. Apples are rich in antioxidants which can help prevent heart disease. No. 5. Reduce cholesterol. The pectin in apples can help reduce cholesterol levels, making them a great addition to a heart-healthy diet. No. 6. Prevent cancer. Some studies have shown that the compounds in apples may help prevent cancer. No. 7. Anti-aging. Apples are a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that can help fight free radicals and reduce the signs of aging. No. 8. Improve skin health. The vitamin C in apples can also help improve skin health and reduce the risk of wrinkles and age spots. No. 9. Strengthen bones. Apples are a good source of calcium and vitamin D, which are both important for strong bones. Number 10. Increase energy. Apples are a good source of carbohydrates, which are the body's primary energy source. So next time you see an apple, eat it. Your body will thank you.